Isabella in class. Today I'll present to you my presentation of understanding environmental strains in the commercial kitchen. I, Chef Consultant Lachlan Glover, has come here today to share with you ways of reducing waste and the use of harmful chemicals used in your kitchens. I'll also address the different ways of achieving a more sustainable environment, how you should implement environmentally friendly cleaning procedures while cleaning the kitchen, the crucial rules of the HACCP theory, using the biodegradable path, and what you should be recycling in the kitchen. Reduce, reuse, recycle is better known as the 3 R's, is a mantra used for the classification of waste management. Why should you recycle? Recycling saves energy, recycling is good for the environment, and recycling reduces landfill. What does recycling involve? Recycling is a process to change waste materials into new products. Some of the objects that are common to recycling are plastic water bottles and newspapers. What should we recycle? In the kitchen, we should recycle glass, aluminium, dirty tea towels, and cardboard. How do you reduce waste? Don't buy things you don't need. You should buy bulk, as this will save money, and buy concentrated products that will get the job done and which will end up saving you a lot of money. Energy consumption. To save energy, you should take in mind by turning off appliances at the end of the shift. You should only use the dishwasher for full loads instead of small loads, as this will save water, and set limits on energy consumption every day so you're not going over the rate, which will slash money costs. What can you reuse? You can reuse your old food scraps by composting them. You can reuse dirty tea towels once you have finished wiping things off, and you should reuse vegetable seeds to grow your own vegetable garden. Minimizing waste. Food and garbage waste should be securely stored in a separate waste disposal area, as this will decrease the contamination of bacteria, and you should have allocated storages of general waste and recycled waste in 2 different areas. Can food waste be recycled? Food scraps can be recycled through compost bins. If food waste is poorly held, this can create bacteria and other diseases like Salmonella and E. coli. The cleaning process. The cleaning process is the normal routine in a kitchen today. There are 3 steps of cleaning the kitchen: pre-cleaning, wash, and rinsing. The personal PPE unit is a unit where you should have required clothing when you are cleaning the kitchen. What you should clean with. You should clean with natural substances like methylated spirits and vinegar. You should use commercial dishwashers, as this sanitizes the dishes, and use detergent in hot soapy water over the temperature of 60 degrees. A cleaner environment. By recycling and waste management prevents more than 55 million tons of greenhouse gases being emitted into the atmosphere today. You should use compost bins, and you should go the organic route and grow your own vegetable garden. as this saves money and is better for the environment. Some quick questions to ask. Why should a business recycle? What does appropriate cycling involve? What are the 7 laws of the HACCP? Why shouldn't we use chemicals like bleach when we clean the kitchen? And how waste is minimized? Thank you, Miss and class.